Hello, welcome to Fabric Friday and my little urban homestead. I'm Liz, if this is the first time you've been here. I've finished quilting the wall hanging, the embroidery wall hanging, and now I'm going to bind it, and at the same time I'm going to put on brackets to help hold it up. I normally do loops, but they don't seem to keep it taut, and I thought I'd try this method first to see, to put a pole across the top. So I've got 2 squares of fabric, they're 8-inch squares, and I've laid them in the corners. I'm going to have it top and bottom, and hope that comes out. And I will stitch this on before I actually, well, I pinned it before I get me binding. I've got black binding, so you're not going to actually be able to see much, but I will be stitching the binding on, and it'll go over these, you can't see, yeah, I'll be stitching the binding on by machine to the back, and it'll go on top of these corners, and then fold it up over and round to the front, and these corners will be there. But I've shown you how to bind quilts before, and I'll leave a link somewhere. And I'll stitch this down now. So I've sewn all the binding and round, and you can see there's my little flap on the back. So we'll turn it over, flaps there, turn it over, and I'll stitch the binding down, and as you can see, there's my flap, and it won't be seen at all from the front. Yes, I've got a fly in here. Left the well, I've had the windows open and there's a fly coming. Right, I've sewn the binding down now, and as you can see, let's bring it down so you can. On the back, there's threads here, and I'll go over them now. But these are the 2 things that I can get a pole in, and it'll keep it rigid. I've just got to find a pole exactly that length, and that's that done. And my off-camera make, I've just got to trim this down and bind it. What colour I'm going to bind it, I don't know. I can't use the blue because I've got no more blue. Yeah, camera's falling to bits. Yes, I can't use blue because I have no more of this blue. It was scraps I was using up, and so I'll see what colour to bind it in. I'm doing the binding and the hanging squares for this Lone Star Sunburst, and I thought I'd show you on this one. Although I'm doing it in black, the back isn't in black. So you can see there's my corner, because I've sewn all the binding on to the back on top of these squares. So I'm now just taking it over to the front, and you'll see how easy it is there. Couldn't make up my mind what colour binding, so I put black on. And seeing as the painting on the stairs is grey, it'll fit in there nicely. Bye!
It's a perfect situation.